Hi. So, as we learned that 3GPP is defining the different specifications, there are different groups who are working on the different parts of the network. So, for a core network and for the terminals, user equipments, there whatever the specifications defined for any technology that is done by the TSG core network and terminals group. If it is related to the radio access network, that will be done by another specification group. And if it is related to the system architecture and services, that will be done by the third specification group. Now, these all groups have certain different focus areas. So, be it related to, if we look into the first one, the working group one in CT core, which is focusing on the equipment related and to the core network related protocols. Then it also works on the inter working with the external network and what are the different policy and charging control specifications. Then it'll also look into different applications related to smart card that will be done by working group 6. So there are different nomenclature which is given as per the focus areas for different TSGs. In case of radio access network, there is a working group 1 who is primarily working on the PHY layer, which is a physical layer. And then there is a working group 2 who is working on certain other layer 2 and layer 3 protocols. We'll also see that how the interworking is happening among the different technologies in radio access network that will be done by WG3, and what are the different performance that is to be delivered that will be defined by WG4. There are also different testings which needs to be done before launching any new technologies. So that conformance testing is being done by WG5. And then in case of system architecture, there are different WG1 and WG2 group which are working on the system architecture and the services. There is a WG3 which is primarily working on security and privacy in that case, which is a key area in any technology going forward. Then what are the different multimedia codec schemes or the system and the services that is defined simultaneously by WG4. The orchestration, management, charging, it is getting evolved with leading technologies, so which plays a vital role. So WG5 in this particular TSG is working on that particular domain. And then there is the application enhancement for any ultra reliable low latency services or the critical communication application that is being catered by WG6, which is, we understand, is a key responsibilities in 5G ecosystem.